In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the MLS to work on your Wix website. Let's dive in and make your website more dynamic and engaging. First things first, you'll need the website address of the MLS you want to integrate. Having this handy at the start will ensure a smoother process as we move forward. Now, over on your Wix site, take a look at the left side of your screen. You're going to want to click on Add Elements, which is represented by a simple plus icon. This is your gateway to enhancing your site's features. Once you've clicked that, a list will pop up. From here, scroll through the list until you find the option labeled Embed Code. This is where the magic starts to happen, as you can embed various sources directly onto your website. Now, within the Embed Code section, you'll want to select Embed HTML. A click here will open up a dialog box prompting you for specific inputs. In this pop-up window, you'll be asked to enter the code of the MLS that you plan to add. If you have the specific code supplied by your MLS provider, this is where you'll input it. Alternatively, if you just have the website address for the MLS, no worries at all, simply paste it into this field. Once you've inputted the necessary details, either the code or the URL, take a moment to review it for any typos or inconsistencies. Errors here could result in the MLS not displaying correctly on your site. Double-checking can save you from unnecessary headaches later on. After you're confident everything looks good, click Apply. This action is crucial as it activates the integration you've just set up. By doing this, you're essentially telling your Wix site to fetch and display the MLS content, making it seamlessly part of your web presence. Remember, integrating an MLS to your website can significantly enhance its utility, especially if your site is focused on real estate or related industries. With different listings at your users' fingertips, your website becomes not only an informational hub, but an interactive experience as well. To wrap things up, integrating an MLS into your Wix website might seem daunting at first. However, by following these logical steps and ensuring you have the correct MLS information ready, it's quite a straightforward task. You're essentially taking a giant leap in enhancing your online offerings, providing visitors with a valuable tool as they navigate various listings. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps transform your website into a more powerful real estate resource. Feel free to explore further customization options within the Wix interface to tailor it even more to your specific needs. Keep experimenting and learning, and I look forward to seeing how your website grows with this new feature.